Here's 5 easy steps you can do before you hire a contractor. Step 1 is to find a property that you're planning on making an offer on or have an offer in on already. All right, so the next question is where you're going to find them. That's step 2. You're going to ask other people on your team, like a real estate agent or a lawyer. Then you're going to ask investors, other people in your network, and Google. At the end of the step, you should have a list of them and their contact information. Then step 3 is to start vetting them. When you call them, ask them for pictures or videos of their work, look on Google for reviews, and ask them for references from other investors. Call those investors, if they give you any, and ask them about their experience working with them. Do they get their work done on time? How's the quality of work? That kind of thing. After you've vetted some out, step 4 is to get some estimates. An estimate is just a round number of what they think they're going to charge you for the work they're going to get done. What you're looking for is an itemized estimate that is split between labor, like how much it costs to get the work done, and materials, like what kind of materials and how much each material costs. Now, the truth of the matter is most contractors are not going to give you this. You need to work through the bid that they gave you by calling them back up. For each item on the bid, you want to ask them what their timeline for getting it done is, how much it'll cost you in labors and materials, and what kind of materials they're planning on using and exactly what they're planning on getting done. See, a lot of contractors make their money by not being specific on a lot of things, so this way, when you try to hold them accountable to something, there's nothing to really hold them accountable to. This step is really important. Once you've looked through all the estimates, you want to pick one. Pick the one that you got the best vibes from, the one that had the best references, and the one that had the best bid. Some combination between all of them, right? And give them a try. Get one part of the job done. And if you like them, keep working with them. If not, fire them immediately and get a new one. If you got all the way to the end, what's up? I'm Antonio, and I share my experience and knowledge to help you buy your first rental property so you can take control of your life and time. And if that's for you, hit that follow button.